Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button and bell button for getting up-to-date update from my channel. Today's feature is about coolest Android 8.1 feature in your Android phone. Let's begin the video, guys. Let's begin the video, guys. I'm going to show the before version of Nougat or Marshmallow or any before version. Now it's running on 8.1. I'm going to call from my another phone, which is known as Prashant Gamer Geo. I'm dialing it. Since came. See guys, it's arrived. I'm answering it and pressing on home screen. You can see any float keys on the home screen. I'm going to just cut the call, and I have given you a link in description. You can just click on it and go for this website. Just loading. Just click on download. It will be installing. Just install it and wait for some time. See, it's installed. Just open on it and just press on home key. I am going to call from my another phone, which is known as Prashant Gamer Geo. It's calling Prashant Gamers. See, accept, answering. I'm pressing on home screen. You can see the float key on here, and you can see the four options: back to call, mute, speaker, in call. This is the very coolest feature in Android 8.1, guys. Please comment below what should be my next video, and like or dislike my video. Thanks for watching, guys, and share my video